Greetings and welcome back to another freebie giveaway from How to Webmaster. Today you can get this free Aweber tutorial training course. It comes with the ebook guide and videos, and you can resell this package for free. I'll leave the link down below. Here's the sales page that you can get with this free download. It shows you how to create an email list with using Aweber, the famous email marketing tool. You learn step by step on how to set all this up, along with some lead magnet freebies. Here's the package. You get some banners, bonuses, an ebook checklist right here, step by step, showing you a quick overview of the tutorial training course. You get the email swipes and sales page and the videos. So let's check out the videos right here. And this is a quality step-by-step tutorial video. It actually shows you screens of the actual step-by-step from Aweber, WordPress, and setting things up. Not just a bunch of words, but you learn how to actually do it hands-on right here. Again, you get this entire training course for free, along with rights to resell this video course. Check it out. Download link is below. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome freebie giveaways like this. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.